So here is the skincare kit. It comes with a facial cleanser, a toning serum, exfoliating face toner, and a brightening face scrub. And these are some good size. I think these are full sizes, honestly. Yeah, 3.4. Oh yeah, this is a perfect little travel kit for you if you want to get this. I've never used this brand before. It looked new, so. All right, so this is the Gentle and Brightening Face Scrub. Sea salt and coconut. The amino gel facial cleanser, sea minerals collagen, dead sea minerals and vitamin C complex toning skin serum. And the last one is the seaweed glycolic acid exfoliating face toner. I'm actually excited to try this one. So today is Sunday, so I'm going to be trying this for a week just to see if it does any changes to my skin, the overall like health of my skin. I do have like a couple of pimples that came in. Well, actually they kind of went away a little bit, but there is a little bit of scarring going on, and then like my face has been breaking out randomly, like here and there, but then like 2 days later it'll go away. So I don't know what it is. Maybe it's environmental. But I just want to see how the texture of my skin changes after using this for like a week. Okay, first thing I'm gonna go in with is the face scrub. Oh, I could feel the is it called granulars or something like that? I can feel the little tiny pieces, the little beads. It's not harsh in a sense, like it doesn't feel like it's ripping my skin, but this is definitely something I think I would probably only use once a week, only because I wouldn't want to have like micro tears in my skin. But it is gentle, like it says. It smells like coconut. I wouldn't say it's heavy fragrance, but it definitely smells like straight up coconut. If you're not a fan of coconut, you probably won't like it. I'm not really a fan of coconut either, but it's not too bad, so I probably wouldn't use this as often. I feel a slight tingling, but it's not like burning, if that makes sense. The tingling might just be because of it's being a scrub and it has like the little beads in it. But so far, actually let me wash it off first. All right, now that it is rinsed off, my face feels soft and hydrated. So I just read the bottle, and it says balances and softens, scrubs away dirt, hydrates thirsty skin, visibly reduces blemishes. The direction says to massage gently onto damp skin, then rinse with warm water. Use 3 to 4 times. Definitely not doing that. That's over exfoliating, so definitely wouldn't want to do that. But yeah, my face feels super soft and very hydrated. All right, now we're gonna go in with the facial gel. Pump a small amount of product out and add water to create a lather. Gently massage thoroughly over face and rinse. So let's open it. And all right, it kind of smells like, if you ever use Youth of the People, I think it's green tea, their green tea cleanser. It kind of smells like that, but then also it kind of feels like hand soap, like soft, was it soft soap? Soap soft? You know the hand soap that's like $1 at like Walmart and Dollar Tree? That's what it feels like you're washing your face with hand. Oh, and then the smell, it smells like getting hints of cucumber. Right, now that the cleanser is off, if you can see my face, it's very drying, so I'm wondering if with this brand it's best to use the cleanser first, then the scrub, which kind of doesn't make any sense to me. Technically you would use a scrub first, then the cleanser, because you want to exfoliate and remove as much dirt and oils as possible with the scrub, and then going with the cleanser to like wash everything off. But yeah, the facial cleanser says purifies the skin of dirt and oil, improves skin elasticity, and promotes a healthy glow. As you can see, ain't no healthy glow. I look very ashy and my skin looks like it's peeling. So it definitely strips It's very clarifying and it strips your skin. Or at least my skin. I don't know about anybody else. Okay, so the next thing is a glycolic acid exfoliating face toner. Helps balance skin's natural oil, tones complexion, and hydrates. Clears away dead skin cells. So I have my cotton pad here. This is tight that you just squeeze at the top. So so it puts some of the moisture back into my skin. There is a slight tingly feeling, but it's not too aggressive. All right, so now I'm going in with the last thing, which is a Dead Sea Minerals Vitamin C Complex. Toning Skin Serum balances all skin types, brightens complexions, and minimizes dark spots. Massage a few drops of oil onto cleansed face and neck until absorbed. Okay. It's a little tacky or like sticky. It has a really, really light fragrance. Can't really pinpoint what it is exactly, but it smells pretty good. Face doesn't feel irritated so far. All right, so I'm gonna come back in a week and just do an update on my skin. How do I feel after using it for a week, and let you guys know. All right, it's December 31st, way past the week mark, but it's been crazy. So I wanted to close out this video. First item is the Gentle Brightening Face Scrub. I only had to use it, I used it Sunday, the day of, Wednesday, and I feel like I didn't need to use it again since then. So it does a really good job of exfoliating your skin, and I would definitely say this is something you can definitely use to your own discretion. I only used it twice and I feel like it did a really good job of clearing out my pores. So if you are looking for something that does a really good cleanse of your pores, then you should definitely try this one out. Next is the exfoliating face toner. Honestly, I really didn't see much of a difference with this face toner. Not only that, the hydration level wasn't really there. And then also it says it's supposed to help balance skin's natural oils. It kind of did that. Tones complexion and hydrates. I haven't been using it long enough to notice any changes in my tone, in my complexion. I would say it does clear away dead skin cells, because putting it on the cotton pad or the cotton round, you do see like it change color, obviously, because it's wiping away the dead skin cells. The next thing is the Amino Gel Facial Cleanser. So as far as this cleanser, it didn't really give me that much like, oh, I really like this cleanser. It did remind me of another cleanser, but the only difference with that cleanser and this one is very drying. Like after I dry my face, it's like really dry, and I don't like when my face looks ashy or like you can actually see like the dryness. So I wouldn't I don't think I would want to continue with this one. I would go back to the face washes that I'm currently using right now. But it's up to you. If you are the type of person that has really oily skin and you like your face to be dry after washing it, then I would say go in with this. But me personally, I have oily skin and I don't even like when my face gets that dry, because then I have to layer with so many different other things just to get that moisture back in. So I would say I would give this like a 3 out of 10. Now for the last item in the bundle is a toning skin serum. Once again, I haven't been using these products long enough to notice if it's brightened my complexion. I kind of feel like it did a little bit, like especially in the morning time, it kind of like perked my face up a little bit. But as far as minimizing dark spots, I would have to use it basically until the bottle is done for me to notice if it did minimize any dark spot. And I have a few that I've been watching to see if it kind of like went away within a few days, but they're still there. They faded a little bit, but like it's still noticeably there. And as far as the texture of this goes, It's kind of like, it's more of like an oil-based serum and not like a water-based serum. So it's up to you on which one you like the oil-based kind or the water-based kind. I've tried other serums that I've liked that I've noticed changes like within like 2 to 3 days. So I would say I would pass on this too, but because it has vitamin C in it, I feel like long-term use you would notice a difference. So I would give it maybe like a 5 out of 10. All right, so that is it for my review on Vitamin and C's Beauty. If you guys want to check them out yourself, you can go to Ulta or ulta.com or on their website to purchase their products. So once again, out of the 4, I would say my favorite was surprisingly the face scrub. The others I don't really think I would incorporate into my regular skincare routine, but they are still seemingly good products if you want to give them a try yourself. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comment section, and I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks so much for watching.